What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Louie. I'm a content creator here at Wonderful Maria. Welcome back to another episode of Digital Wednesday, and today's topic is all about how can you protect your Facebook page from hackers, because I've been encountering several incidents from friends that they keep messaging me about my phone number, which days later they're gonna say that their accounts were hacked. So it's very dangerous for us to kind of like put out our account out there without any protection, especially that everyone is going digital. So here is a very simple step on how to protect your Facebook page. Let's go. What you do is you go to your account, your personal account, and you go to settings, and you go to security and login, and then you always have to activate this two-factor authentication. What it will do is it will ask for another an email address or a phone number that whoever signs in from a different computer, it will ask for your permission. It will send a message to your email confirming that you are the one who's logging in into your account. And I've seen several friends who have been a victim of hackers these days, especially that everyone is going digital. So you have to be very careful, especially if you have a lot of business pages. This is the very first step when you're planning to go on digital, is to activate this one. All right, that's it. You take care, and I'll see you next week. Bye.